In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Printify on Shopify. If you're running a Shopify store and want to offer print-on-demand products without holding inventory, connecting Printify is a quick way to get there. I'll walk you through it clearly and simply and share a few helpful tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening your Shopify Admin. Make sure you're logged into the correct store with the right permissions, since only store owners and staff with app permissions can add integrations. Once you're on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand menu and open the Apps section. This is your hub for everything you install on Shopify. Inside the Apps area, use the search or the Customize Your Store option to visit the Shopify App Store, then type Printify. You're looking for the official Printify app from the verified developer. Open it to review the description, screenshots, and recent reviews if you'd like extra confidence you've got the right one. When you're ready, click to install. Shopify will show you a permission screen explaining what the app can access, like managing products and orders. Review those details, then approve to continue. This part only takes a moment, and you can always manage permissions later in your Shopify settings if needed. After installation, you'll be prompted to log in to Printify. If you already use Printify, simply sign in with your existing credentials. If you're already logged in on your browser, it may link automatically. Some users may see a brief redirect to confirm the connection between Printify and Shopify. Just follow the on-screen prompt and you'll land back in the app. That's it. Your Shopify store is now connected to Printify. You'll see Printify listed in your Shopify apps, and you can open it anytime from the admin to access your Printify dashboard. From there, you can explore product templates, set your branding preferences, and view how product details sync over to Shopify. If something doesn't look right, try refreshing your browser or reopening the app from the Apps menu. The connection should be instantaneous once you've logged in. To recap the flow, open your Shopify admin, go to Apps, find the official Printify app, install it while approving the permissions, and log in to complete the link. With that connection in place, you're set up to manage your print-on-demand workflow directly alongside your Shopify catalog and orders. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, go ahead and connect Printify now so you can start building your product lineup with confidence.